Oh yeah, it's my birthday. Hey guys, I'm getting ready for my birthday. Yeah. So guys, I finished working today and I'm about to do my lashes. So this is what my lashes look like before getting them done. And then I will show you guys what it looks like after. Mickey, say hi. Hi. You gonna sing happy birthday to mommy? Happy birthday. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I just got my lashes done and I am loving my lashes. I got a little bit of volume and I also got like two little glitter on the top of my lashes as well. So one down and let's see what's next. I'm gonna head to the hairdresser now to get my hair done. As you guys can see, I got my lashes done. Bling bling. So gotta get my hair and my nails done and then I am ready. So guys, I'm just getting to the hair salon to do my hair. I'm going to Mama C. It is so slippery outside from yesterday freezing rain. So I permed my hair myself and today I'm just gonna do a leave out weave. So I'm gonna leave out some of my hair at the front there like that. So I'm wearing body wave human hair and I did 18 inch, 16 inch and 14 inch on top. Okay guys, I just got my latte and now I'm heading to my next appointment and that is to get my nails done. Next on the list are my nails and today I am getting a pedicure with shellac and I'm also going to do some shellac on my fingers. I am going with pink because I'm wearing pink dress. I have a white slipper so I don't want to wear I usually put white polish. I love white polish on my toes, but because my slippers is also white, it doesn't make sense doing that, so I'm going to just go with a brighter color today on my toes. But I am definitely having a really fun morning for my birthday, getting all pampered and fixed up for tonight. It really feels good. I'm happy. Okay, guys, I just got my nails done. La 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 la. I think I am ready. I'm going home to get a little bit of rest before I pick up the kids, and then it's party time. Oh yeah. This is my present from Daddy. So I gotta open my present. Ooh, I got a bracelet. Yes. Very nice. And let's see what's this. I got a necklace too. Oh, I like it, Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is.
Let's see what this is. Ooh la la! I like this jacket. Oh yeah. Mhm. I like it, Daddy. It's nice. That's it. Shots. Hey. This is nice. Summer, here we come. Aw, this is my favorite color in the world. I like it. This is cute, Daddy. Thank you. Okay. Lift me up. Thank you. My entire outfit is from Fashion Nova. My shoes, my dress, and my bag. Loving this color, hot pink dress. Okay, so tonight we are out eating at the Keg Steakhouse, and I'm going to have the lobster with steak and overbaked potatoes and my glass of red wine, of course. This is so juicy and yummy. I like my steak like medium well done. So, this is good. Yeah, I love it. So daddy, he got chicken. I think it's grilled chicken, and he got shrimp. He loves shrimp more than I do. So yeah, he absolutely loved his food and enjoyed every single bit of it. Yeah, we sure had a good night. lie. Keep going, keep going. Big money. Yummy cake? Yeah. Mm. That's good. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had an awesome birthday. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. I am happy I was able to share my birthday with you guys. Love you all. Bye.